Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, something kind of cool. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a riding video right now, right here. So yeah, I'm riding this in the daytime and the nighttime, and I thought it'd be kind of cool to show what it looks like riding at night. So if you didn't see the video on how I installed LEDs on this beast, I have a video for that, so go ahead and look in the description if you want to see how I installed the LEDs. I also have an unboxing of this 1500 watt 48 volt Beastmaster E-Grizzly from the one and only Venom Motorsports USA.com. Yeah, I have a video of me unboxing it, and that's in the description as well if you haven't seen it. Stay tuned. Next week I have another unboxing coming. You're gonna love it. Hopefully I'll be able to do a countdown premiere and live chat with you guys as well. So stay tuned, check out for that. Keep looking during the week, and hopefully it'll be up next weekend. Then whatever that is, I'm also gonna do some mods to that. So stay tuned for a mod video for that new surprise that's coming. So the first half of this video, I'm riding in the daytime and there is no music. You can hear the little electric motor, and that's during the daytime. Then in the nighttime portion of this video where you see the cool LEDs, I have music. So some people have requested music behind the videos and some people requested no music, so this is the best of both worlds. But there's not really anything to hear because it's a little electric motor, just a little winding noise, that's it. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and enjoy the ride video and stay tuned for more content. Like, subscribe, and all that stuff. Laters.